like, tell them what we're doing.
Okay, you guys, so we're literally walking to our new home right now.
And if you're like, what do you mean you're like, walking to your new home?
That's a weird thing to do.
Suspect. Well, it is a little weird because we are actually just moving units in our complex that we're in right now.
We're moving, you guys. Are you kidding me?
Can you guys believe that we are moving? I think on camera with you guys, we've moved. This is like, what, our second or third time?
No, this has got to be like our
fourth, 10th?
More than that, because we moved,
millionth?
We moved to Calistoga with them. We moved to Napa. We moved back to Carlsbad. We
Valencia.
moved to Valencia with Justin. We moved to the condo. We moved here. This is the 7th time. Isn't it crazy? We have a bunch of old moving vlogs from those
oh my gosh,
other
those
times.
would be fun to watch actually.
We'll link some of them below.
But yeah, so our new unit is like 2 little units down from our other one, so we're walking over there right now.
Yeah, but basically the reason that we're moving units is because our lease is ending this month. It's December, obviously. And we were gonna re-sign, and as we were re-signing, they were like, we have another unit with 2 bathrooms. We've been living with 1 bathroom, which isn't awful.
It's not terrible, but it's like your girl needs another bathroom in her life, you know?
Yeah.
And this one has a little bit more room. The layout is completely different
and the lighting,
than our other place.
New level.
You guys, it's just all around an upgrade. So
I'm getting such a good workout in.
I know. I'm like, can you tell we're deep breathing from walking right over from there? But yeah, we're excited because
there's the pool.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
So we're excited because, like, you guys, new year, new house. Again, we love moving, obviously, if you guys can't tell, but it's so just crazy. Fun getting a new place, getting to decorate it. So we are going in right now, and we're going to show you.
We're going to vlog all of it. So right now, we're walking to it right now. It's completely empty. So we'll do like a little empty.
We got the keys today, like a few hours ago.
Now.
So we are going up, and we are now on the third floor. So, gosh,
this is gonna be a serious glute workout, but it's gonna be worth it because, like,
our butts are gonna look way better now.
New year, new booty.
So yeah, we haven't, there's absolutely nothing in the unit right now. We've only walked through it like 2 times when we were viewing the unit. So we're gonna show you guys for basically the first time on camera, the empty unit.
Here we go.
Hold on. Hold on. Can we just breathe for a second? Because, like, honestly,
that was a workout.
Okay guys, so we are outside of our new place.
We're so excited. So we're gonna give you guys a whole bare, empty little house tour, and then of course, like, we'll continue to vlog like the whole scenario going forward.
So let's go inside, come on.
Okay, so the first thing is this little guy here. This is Casper. So if anyone is out here, we see you.
We know.
We see you. All right, come on in, you guys. We'll start to the right-hand side of us here. It's gonna obviously be echoey. So right here to the right is like, not sure.
It looks like, you know, a little nook maybe to put like something cute or even like a computer area.
Your keys, your computer, we'll see. Where should we start? Kitchen or bedrooms?
Let's do bedrooms.
Let's do bedrooms. Okay, so we'll start down this way. So this is like the little hallway that leads into the bedrooms, which we love because our other place was just an open floor plan. So it's kind of nice to have some separation. But first we have washer dryer.
Oh my gosh. Ugh, this is
oh my gosh, there's space
goals.
Here.
I know, and look, there's even little
shelving here.
Shelves.
Oh my God, this is fantastic. So washer dryer, must have. Okay, so further down this way, we'll step into my bathroom because now I have my own bathroom. It'll also be like the guest bathroom, but basically mine. How do I get these lights on? It's like, everything's like technology here. Hello?
Hello?
Here we go. Okay, come on in my bathroom. Come on in my bathroom. Great, it's got a shower.
Cool.
Obviously.
Cute.
Got some drawer space. I'll have to figure out maybe some organization in here, but you know.
Cute, yeah.
That'd be great.
I love, oh no, show them this really quick.
The drawers. Really love the drawers. I can keep things so
that is so nice
in here. I'll probably get like a little something for my skincare. Another drawer here.
Yeah, no, that is so great.
So that will be fantastic.
Yeah, and it's nice because this one has a bath and the shower, so you have like that going on here.
The shelf things in the bath too. How it has like.
Oh yeah.
It's just like texture.
Modern.
I love that.
Modern art.
Okay, so let's step into my room, which is right in here. Cute. The closet here. Cute, right? Did I fit in?
Cute.
Hey guys, hi. And then, do you want to tour your room?
Yeah.
So we're gonna switch.
Here, hold the people.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm here, you guys. Hi.
Hi.
So this is mine and Dominic's room. I live with my boyfriend, if you guys don't know. So we'll go in here. First things first, has a pretty big open area. Love that. Love these windows.
Lots of lights in here.
Beautiful. This is so nice too, you guys, because look, we have like a little, just kind of like sliding closet, you know, little closet moment, right? And then you come over here and shink. Another closet. And this one's walk-in too, so it's nice. So we can kind of store like a lot more of like everything that we have.
Totally.
So that's nice. And then, my second favorite part about this place is another bathroom.
Yay for 2 bathrooms.
Yay!
Woo!
And this is so nice too because it's a little bit bigger. And then also, you guys, we have some storage here.
Which you guys know. And look, those go pretty deep too.
Yeah,
like,
you know,
that's gonna work out.
Storage. And what's cool about this one, but it could be a downfall depending on like where you're at in your life. We have a like glass door walk-in shower, and it's cool because it has like a little step there, so you can like do whatever you
do whatever you want to.
But
do.
There's no bathtub, so there's a bathtub over there.
Oh.
Like, girl, can I come over to
Dominic's gonna try to be using my bathroom all the time, you guys. He loves baths.
But love it, you guys. Freaking awesome, right?
Okay, take us to the living quarters. Well, that light is crooked. Let's get that uncrooked.
Right back out here. This is the front door again. And then we'll walk you right over here. Nice closet here, so it's good to have just more space.
And this is like what, the pantry? Oh, there's that. Okay, see, I didn't remember this from the first time we walked through.
So
okay.
Got a nice closet there. And
so this is gonna be great. Like vacuum, that's where the vacuum goes.
Yeah. But really quickly, before we go any further, let me just introduce you formally to Casper.
Hello.
We have a new smart unit here, which basically means that everything here is controlled. I don't know how she's working yet.
I think we still need to like activate
We're not that smart yet, but like we'll get there. But yeah, it's really cool because come right through the living room here and the kitchen.
Beautiful.
Beauty and grace, right? So it's really, really cute. But the cool thing about having the smart unit is basically we can talk to Casper. So we can say, Casper, turn on, we have music.
Like look at like Casper is everywhere. It's like, have you guys seen
Casper sees
what's the movie? Disney Channel original movie? Yes.
Hey Pat, how about activating some kick butt video screens?
Sure, Ben. How's this?
This is a smart unit, so you know you drop like your smoothie on the floor sucks it up.
Yeah, like you can put whatever you want on the walls.
Yeah, she does everything, murals, you know, all that. But it's really cool too because we have like some neon lights that they turn on. Music, did I say that? The speakers.
Music, yeah.
It's really cool. It's connected to like radio, or you can Bluetooth it.
And these cameras right here, they're not like set to record, but we can log onto our phone to get like a snapshot of what's going on, which I'm like, don't be snapshotting me, but you just never know.
Yeah, so I want to show you guys off the balcony, and then you can kind of take over the kitchen because like, girl, I know how you are about the kitchen.
I love kitchens.
So
okay, take us through.
Here, so this is obviously the big open living room. You can even kind of do a half dining area.
Right.
We might do that. And then over here, this is kind of just like window space, and then we have a balcony too, which is super nice.
Cute.
Looks right out to the street, which is kind of like whatever.
Nothing lives there yet, so it's like just a cute little area.
Yeah, so this is really cute. I love the open windows too, you guys. That's like everything.
Yeah, it's so much brighter because like we have these giant windows, like they're basically floor to ceiling, so it's gonna bring so much more light into our place. We're so excited.
Okay, so give me the people and let's show them the kitchen.
Okay.
Kitchen moment.
So here's the kitchen. I love the kitchen. We obviously like are fans of the stainless steel and the dark wood. We have plenty of space. In our other apartment, we have this.
Pause.
Cars are too loud.
Pause, your girls are too loud out here. Go home, people. You know, I think there's something wrong with this door because it was open just now and I can't close it.
Yeah, that's not right. Okay, so back to the kitchen. We have this cute shelving area, so we like to decorate this, and we already have a bunch of pieces from our old place. I think though, my favorite part, and probably Haley's favorite part of the entire kitchen is literally this window, because our other place did not have a kitchen window, so although it would be bright on the other half of the room, pitch black in the kitchen.
Yeah, so now, it's so much brighter.
Everything else is pretty much standard. You know, we have actually a really great walk-in pantry here, which is just like
beauty and grace.
I just picture like my organization in here. Like I want to get Khloe Kardashian. You know?
Can we get her in here? Do you have her number? Can you text her?
I'm gonna call her.
Okay, we'll call her.
So yeah, that is basically it, you guys. We're so excited. Like this was pretty much a last minute decision for us. We were like, screw it, let's move units. So here we are.
Right over here. Let's do our first little vlog clip right here together.
Oh my gosh, and the new place, look at the lighting.
Look at the lighting right now.
Like, I know this might not be a big deal to most people, but for people like us who film ourselves like on the daily, this is like life-changing.
Yeah,
so,
oh my gosh. I just feel like I know that we're going to do so much better in here and thrive so much more. We're gonna work more, we're gonna film more, so.
And 2 bathrooms, you guys, I'm like, so thankful.
Oh my gosh,
but
you guys need to get as excited as we are because we have so many other things coming up too. So we're gonna take you through the entire process. We're gonna get some
we're gonna vlog it all. We're gonna do the whole
decoration,
all of it, the whole 9. And don't forget, you guys, we've already posted what, like 4 or 5 other
I think
videos.
we're on our 5th one
you
now,
guys. So go catch up on those, and then just make sure you guys are subscribed and your notifications are on, because we're gonna continue to Vlogmas, but a lot of it's gonna be moving and like all kinds of other things. So it's gonna be 2019.
We are so excited, guys. And honestly, we're just so thankful. So thank you guys so much for watching our videos. Comment below, go follow us on Instagram, and subscribe, you guys, if you want to see more of us. In our new place. Yay! Bye. Oh. Okay, let's go finish our McDonald's.
Oh yeah, gotta go.